All right, guys, week 2, day number 1. You guys are doing great. I just wanted to kind of encourage you with today, as usual, with today's quick boost, and that is be water. That is be flexible. So kind of what we talked about last night for last night's quick boost is there's going to be certain things, there's going to be certain hurdles along our wellness journey, whether it's just with this handbook or even beyond there. And so the most important thing is when life throws its obstacles at you, don't panic. If you miss a day, if you miss 2, don't panic. It's perfectly normal. It happens to everybody. It happens to myself all the time. Just be flexible. Be water is the saying. I believe it's from Bruce Lee. Be water, be flexible between work schedules, sleep patterns, kids, whatever it may be. It's going to be hard to kind of do the same thing every day at the same time, unless of course you're retired or something. But don't get discouraged. Relax. You're doing great. Stay flexible. Be water. Stay on track. Continue to build that momentum, and everything else that we've talked about up to this point, you'll do just fine. Okay, so today's journal topic is posted for you guys. I'm about to write mine right now, and I will see you tomorrow.